I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large.
Good afternoon, beautiful people of the vlog. How are we today? I hope we're doing good. Welcome back to another video. It gets pretty lit on this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my weekly reset routine. We're going to do a little bit of shopping, a little bit of skincare, and a little bit of cleaning. So you guys could just get a peek into how I need to start the week off so that it's smooth sailing from there. Come along with me to see how I prep for the week ahead. So I wrote a list of the things that I need to do today. I think I should start with cleaning, if I'm being honest, because you know, when you have a messy environment and a messy space, it really just clutters your mind and you can't think, you can't operate in the way that you could best be performing. And we like to perform at our best. So, and then I think I'm gonna do the shopping, and then we're gonna end the night with like skincare and you know, all that good stuff. Now I'm excited to do adult things. But it wouldn't be a party unless we had the speaker out. I'm going to now start on cleaning the bathroom. I think it is time, now that I'm doing the heavy duty stuff, to put my hair away. It's not even giving babes how it was a few hours ago, so. As you can see, I changed my shirt because I was like, why am I cleaning in a white tee? Like, I don't want to get it dirty. Now, I'm gonna get to the tub portion of the bathroom. I hope all goes well, because honestly, I hate cleaning the bathroom.
It was 18 months since we had this month ago, and this lady came out, she was actually a server. I hate my life. He wanted to be who had a great quote around him? Einstein. Einstein's quote says, do the same thing over and over again and expect it to result in insanity. If you do the same thing over and over and over and over again, you will always get the exact same results. And so what do you need to do? Something different. If your actions do not change, your results will not change. For accomplishing this goal, and you've got pretty damn good goal. Take 3 to 5 sentences a piece here, like maybe even for my goal is to have no anxiety by November of this year. And in order now, here's the last step of the 6 steps, then I will give you my bonus step, step 7.
Alright, I just have a few more loads of laundry to do, which are my darks and to wash the rugs in the bathroom. So until then, I'm gonna go to the store because I don't like driving in the dark in this backwoods country of Texas. So let's go to Target. I just want to give like a cute, messy, just woke up, don't really care, but I put like a little effort, like I care but I don't type of look, you know? Like I'm trying to do that, I really am. And the best way to do that is if you just put it up and don't care, right? Or wrong. Because maybe that'll just give a, you just don't care about yourself. And I'm not trying to give, I don't care about myself. I'm trying to give, I care just enough. You see? You see? You see? Maybe I'm overthinking the entire thing. Or should I just go out in a bun? You know? Plenty of other girls go out in a bun who don't have my hair texture and they be looking cute. I really would be the one to do it, but I'm gonna put it in a pony. Just let me stop. Yeah. Yeah, I. You see the side profile, I. Oh my gosh. Will anybody love me with the way that I act? That's the real question. Tell me in the comments down below if you talk to yourself too, okay? Because this is a daily for me. The daily. I hope I don't look back on this video and cringe. That's what turns me on. I'm gonna put it down. Alright, I'm here at Target, but I was just sitting in my car for probably the last 30 minutes and didn't realize because I was on my phone. So let's get the stuff I need and get out of here. I kind of forgot to do a haul beforehand, sorry, but I have a few things left. That is one of the things that I got, which is a laundry basket, cotton pads. I got whitening strips, so yeah, hopefully these work. And then I got 2 beauty blenders, more deep conditioner, satin scrunchie. This is why I do not go to Target, because every time I go to Target I spend $100. So yeah, that's a done deal. Right now I think I'm gonna shower first. Tonight I'm gonna do a mask because I need a mask. Scary. I thought this was gonna be cute. It's not giving cute.